Hello everyone, I am here today with an amazing crunchy snack. And you must have eaten a lot of cheese balls, but this is really special. It's so crunchy and I'll show you the cheese pull of this snack. You can see and I'll show you. See, it's wonderful. Firstly, I'm going to tell you ingredients. So I have taken 4 to 5 boiled potatoes and then 1 cup of mozzarella cheese, or you can take any cheese. And then for vegetables, I have taken bell peppers of 2 types. I'm going to take half of both of these, and then 1 small corn I have taken. And then we need 4 to 5 breads for 4 to 5 potatoes. I'm going to crumble these breads in a mixer, and then I have taken 1 cup of coriander. So let's start. Firstly, I will take a bowl and then I'm going to put these potatoes. And then I'm going to mash them. Okay, now I'm going to keep it aside. Now it's a turn to cut this. Now this is a boiled one. I've taken a boiled, so you can take raw as well, because I'm preparing this for my kid, that's why. So the best way is you are going to just make one line here with the help of knife, and then now you can do this way. Cutting these capsicum, I'm going to put inside that these capsicums, and this is a very good chopper. So half of capsicum I am going to put inside this. We are going to put these corns as well inside it. See. Now I am going to put all the vegetables in this jar. And then half a cup of coriander, and then half a cup of these breadcrumbs. So this is actually for binding. You can use even poha instead of these crumbs. And then I'm going to put inside this half a cup of cheese. Half of the cheese is gone inside this. 2 spoons of salt, half spoon of black pepper. Then comes, I have this pizza oregano with me, red chili flakes, green chilies. We are going to mix them nicely. Now mix it well until it forms a smooth dough. Okay. Now we have cheese. What we are going to do, we are going to roll these cheese. We'll make small balls. We are going to make these balls, small balls of cheese. Now take small portion of this. Now put this ball, cheese ball, inside this, and then close it nicely. Roll it one by one. We are making this as per the cafe style, and even you can eat this snack, you can prepare it in any occasion. This is so simple, easy to make. This is ready, I'll keep it aside. Now we are going to make first of all slurry. So we are going to take 2 spoons of corn flour, and then little amount of water. I'll take balloon whisker for that. Now we are going to put each ball in the slurry and roll them in breadcrumbs. This coating gives it crunchiness. Again, same process for the next one. We'll do the same process for every cheese ball. After that, we are going to keep them. After 5 to 10 minutes, these balls are ready to cook. We need to do it very carefully. With the help of 4 to 5 potatoes, we can cook 20 to 25 cheese balls. Now serve it hot with ketchup or mayonnaise. So lovely, it's so mouth-watery.